focus it. So these are my portals. This is my posterior portal. This is my anterior portals, and this is my position for a cuff repair, arthroscopic cuff repair.
This is pate grid to retraction of supraspinatus tendon. And now I am checking the reducibility of the tendon. This can be completely reduced to the footprint, and there is no tension in the reduced tendon. Now I am rasping it to create the bleeding bed for the proper union. This is I'm making a pilot hole for my medial row anchor, and this is 5.5 peak anchor, double loaded anchor, through which I will be taking my bite in the cuff. So I'm holding the inner lamina because I want to get my bite through both the lamina for the proper healing of the cuff. So this is the first bite, posterior bite I have taken with the bird beak, and you can see that then the threads are going posteriorly. Now again I am holding the inner lamina to take the second posterior bite, and this time I am using a suture lasso. So I have passed the lasso, and now I'll be shuttling the sutures. So now after this I will be using my first pass to take the anterior bite. So this I have drawn one of the sutures, and this is my first anterior bite. And with the same repetition I'll be taking the second bite anterior to the previous one. So this is my second bite, and now you can see all the four limbs of the sutures completely covering the whole of the supraspinatus tendon. And now I'm taking the anterior knot first. So as I'm tying the knot, you can see the tendon is falling, coming back to the footprint. This is my posterior knot. So tendon is very nicely secured. So, and with that I can see that there is a dog ear. So next I'll be taking the bite in the dog ear because I wanted to make it flush with the greater tuberosity. And on that I will be taking a few knots so that I can fix it in the lateral row anchor. So now you can see all the 6 limbs of my knots, and now I will be passing all the limbs into the lateral row anchor. This is the pilot hole I am making for the lateral row anchor. And after giving adequate tension, I have passed this in the lateral row anchor, and now I am fixing the lateral row anchor. And this is completion of my fixation. So this is a lateral row anchor, and the supraspinatus has fallen back to this footprint without under tension. It's a very stable fixation which I'm testing with the rotation. Whole of the cuff is moving, so you can see all the sutures are visible, and the repair is done without under any tension.